Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today I am unboxing some crochet items that I got in the mail from VIP Cross Stitch. They sent me these items, and they are not just a cross stitch company. They do have crochet things as well, and I think that you're really going to like what I picked out, and I can't wait to unbox it for you. So with that being said, let's check it out. Okay, so this is a yarn tote bag. This is a nice size, and it has a couple of different compartments. It has one here. This is great for like your knitting needles and things like that because it's long and skinny, or you can put whatever you want in it, but it's great for knitting needles. And then it has the interior. Let's open it up. This is a great size, and I love the pattern because I really love this mint color. And it's really large. I'll give you the measurements in just a moment. So this is nice and deep. You could really fit a nice amount of yarn in here. And then they have the grommets at the top where the yarn will fit through so it doesn't get tangled. And you can keep it all enclosed here so the yarn doesn't get dirty. And when you take it with you places, you can just have your yarn coming out the tops, and you can work on your projects. And it has a nice little handle here. VIP Cross Stitch was nice enough to give me a discount code to pass along to my subscribers, and that code is Crojo05, and that will save you an additional 5% off of their already low prices. This ran about $13 and some change, and I just really think it's beautiful, and I'll measure it for you. It measures about 14 inches wide. And let's see, the bottom is very wide, and that measures about 6.5 inches. And then let's see, how tall is it? And then it measures about 6 inches tall. So that's really nice, and it's got a liner inside of it. And I have a regular like big twist skein here, and you can see how perfectly that fits in here, and there's a lot of room. You could probably fit, you know, like they have 3 on here, I bet you could probably fit 4. And if you had smaller skeins of yarn or cakes, you could fit a lot more than that in here. So for only $13 and some change, I thought this was a great deal, and I really appreciate VIP Cross Stitch for sending me this. Now I have one more thing to show you that I got. Look at these beautiful hooks they sent me. I love these, and I got a larger size set just because, you know, I have a lot of the smaller sizes and I don't ever really use them. Now it looks like these are made with the clay, and they have the designs all on them. And this is an 8mm, and I've got a 10mm here. Look at how pretty that is. A 6.5mm, a 9mm, and a 7mm. Look at how gorgeous that is. This is what the head of it looks like. I believe that's called an inline hook. I'm not sure, don't quote me, but I think that's what it's called. They all have that same style of head, and it feels pretty comfortable in my hand. And I will just go ahead and try and, you know, just do a little chain and see how it feels. Okay, this is my 7mm, and I'm using the big twist. So let's just go ahead and see how this yarn feels with the hook. It actually goes quite smooth. Now I could use a thicker yarn, but this is just what I had sitting here. I would recommend these, very comfortable in my hand. The clay on the end, it prevents it from poking into my palm. So I would recommend these totally. They're really comfortable, and you know, I'm a knife holder and it works well for me. So I would recommend these, and these are only like $6 and some change. And like I said, you can get 5% off as well if you use the code Crojo05. And I will put the links down below to both of these products. And I hope you enjoyed this review, and I hope that you go visit VIP Cross Stitch because they have a lot of crochet stuff now. So hey, why not check it out? Who doesn't need more crochet stuff? Well, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye. If you like diamond painting, make sure you check out my other channel, Diamond Painting with Lora.